Did you know chainsaws were originally invented for childbirth?
Wait, seriously? Like a real chainsaw? For babies?
Yep. In the 1780s, two Scottish doctors created a hand-crank chainsaw to help during difficult labors.
That is the most terrifying fun fact I have ever heard. What else is weird?
Australia once declared war on emus and lost.
The birds? They lost a war to birds?
Soldiers with machine guns couldn't beat them. The emus just scattered and came back.
And Scotland's national animal is the unicorn. Not a lion, a unicorn.
The world is way stranger than we think. Follow for more absurd facts.